Hello everyone, you are watching News Insights. Let's watch today's news updates.
These events happening for the last 15 years, and this year we had various events like job fair. Can you please put our hands together as we start this remarkable evening with the lamp lighting ceremony.
Association Women's Football, especially Women's Club State Football. So once again, I welcome him.
ಅವರೇ ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಬರೋವಾಗಲೇ ಮೈಗೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ ಜಾರ್ಕೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. He has to propose and you have to dispose. This is my request and advice.
If he makes a commitment, he stands by that. I'm sure if not 4, at least 2 will be done. So thank you. Today for the first award giving ceremony, a gift for Karnataka State Football Association is that from BDA itself, myself and my commissioner together will at least see that 2 grounds, play area is allotted for Karnataka, sir. We make a promise, sir. Thank you all, Vikram. Very nice to have all.
So what do you like to say? Some light on this today's function.
Yeah, I'd like to congratulate Mr. N.A. Harris, President of Karnataka State Football Association. And I think the way he has initiated this award night, it is more important is that how you can encourage young player who will take football as profession. Also, Karnataka has a big legacy on football. Seeing today late Khalil's Saab daughter receiving an award on behalf of Khalil Saab. Seeing today Mr. Ranmay Naigam, that man who has represented India in highest level of Olympic. I think these are the great way of respecting football legends, and for that I like to congratulate and also say that this is a very well responsible way as a president of a state football association how to take football into mass state across Karnataka. So my best wishes to Harris and his intent.
And also, sir, after Mr. Harris taking over as the chairman, there is a lifelike for the football. So what do you like to say to Mr. N.A.?
I have been talking with Harris almost in a regular basis, and he kept on saying that Austin Town is a place where footballers it's the heart of footballers are from Austin Town, and he said he wished to see that how he can bring back the glory of Austin Town. So I say it's a very good initiative and effort. And whatever we can collectively do, we'll see how Bangalore and Karnataka per se do well in football.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir.
Up.
Sir. Having been in Karnataka as a secretary, I personally have seen what Mr. Harris has done to change the face of football. What we couldn't achieve in 50 years, we have achieved it. The number of women's teams from 40 has come up. The number of new teams, 120 have joined. Number of coaching courses has gone up. All this under his presidentship. Now he was contributing also both of us are there at the All India Football Federation. We are also trying to do whatever we can for All India football. And very soon you will all get some good news when our women's teams play in the Asia Cup. And for all this thing, the planning, the president, the vice president has had a major role. So we have seen how football has changed. And if there's one man who's done it, that is Mr. Harris.
Thank you. About Festival of Humanity.
Yes. See, the Festival of Humanity, two things. One, I like it that he has put it in this ground because not only all his constituents, almost every family plays football. Two, it is a very unique way. We have MLAs in so many constituencies in Bangalore. I like the way he takes care of his people, does things amidst them. Many times when I was here before I moved to Delhi, I'll see him in the morning going on the cycle and then seeing if the roads are clean. There's like, he's really involved. That is why he's been named as the best MLA, in Karnataka. He fully deserves it. That is why he's won 4 times. In a constituency where the MP has always been BJP, to win 4 times is not a joke. That itself shows what he has done for the people. So we just hope he continues and does good work. So, and this Humanity Festival, right now, the mood in the country, such festivals is what we need, to make the people together, irrespective of whether they're a Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. This is the right way, Christian. This is the right way to get them all together. And I think such events which show what humanity can do instead of dividing, this country. And that is something which whoever tries will also fail. And what he is doing, humanity, this is what will ultimately prevail, and this is the strength of our country.
Thank you. Thank you. सर, हाँ जी सर. अब एक स्लो आ गया. जब से आप चेयरमैन बने हैं, एक जान आई है और खासकर आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के लोग इंडिया तक रिप्रेजेंट किए हैं, तो क्या कहेंगे सर?
देखिए, फुटबॉल एक ऐसे गेम है जो हमारे बैंगलोर, स्पेशली बैंगलोर और ईस्ट बैंगलोर, ये इस तरफ पूरा ईस्ट बैंगलोर में सब जगह पे बहुत अच्छा फुटबॉल हो रहा था और बहुत नेशनल प्लेयर्स और इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स को बनाए हम इधर. लेकिन आज हालात थोड़ा खराब है, नहीं करके नहीं बोलते, बट फिर से उसको उबर कर लेके आने का कोशिश चल रहा है. तो उसी कोशिश का एक है, हम लोग इधर अवार्ड नाइट कर रहे हैं. हमारा इधर ऑस्टिन टाउन, गौतमपुरा, मर्फी टाउन, पिलप्पा गार्डन, ये सब पूरा जगह, श्रीरामपुरा, हर जगह पे अच्छे फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स हैं. लेकिन उनको मेरे ख्याल से, मुझे नहीं मालूम, वो लोग आगे आना है. हम लोग आज पूरे अच्छे गुड क्वालिटी फुटबॉलिंग कर रहे हैं. हमारा एक ही ड्रीम है, एक अच्छा 4-5 नेशनल लेवल प्लेयर्स को हमें तैयार करना है. तो उसके लिए पूरा कोशिश हो रहा है. एंड आई एम गोइंग ऑल आउट. आई कैन डू एनीथिंग फॉर दैट. So we are ready to do. I want more people to come forward and play. Today in Bangalore, बहुत सारे क्लब से, कोचेस से, सब कुछ अवेलेबल है आज. तो अच्छा स्टेडियम भी बन जाएगा बहुत जल्द. हमारा बैंगलोर में जो फुटबॉल स्टेडियम है उसका टेंडर भी हो गया है. बहुत जल्द अच्छा स्टेडियम भी बन जाएगा.
आज के प्रोग्राम में कौन कौन गेस्ट रहे सर? आज के प्रोग्राम में
आप तो देखिए ना, हमारा सुनील छत्री आए थे, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ बेस्ट प्लेयर इन फुटबॉल. And Kalyan ji was there, our All India Football Federation president and ex-goalkeeper of Indian team. Satyanarayan was here, Deputy Secretary of All India Football Federation. Mr. Govindraj, Asian Basketball President, Karnataka Olympic President. सब स्पोर्ट्स से हमारे कर्नाटका स्टेट फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन का पूरे कमिटी फुल मेंबर्स वेर हियर. एंड यू सॉ सम ऑफ द वेटरन इंडियन प्लेयर्स फ्रॉम कर्नाटका हु participated in Indian team for the country and for the state were all here. See, this football के लिए तो बहुत कुछ है इधर. फुटबॉल को आगे बढ़ाने का काम हम लोग कर्नाटका स्टेट फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन, बैंगलोर डिस्ट्रिक्ट फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन और तमाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट फुटबॉल भी इसके लिए काम कर रहे हैं. और आप लोग भी हमारे को साथ दीजिए. इंशाल्लाह 100% बहुत अच्छा टीम, अच्छा प्लेयर्स इधर से होगा.
सर, आप 2 स्टेडियम के बारे में बात किए थे अभी भी मणिवन्नन से, तो इसके बारे में बताइए.
ऑलरेडी हम लोग गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका, BDA, बैंगलोर डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी, न्यू डेवलपमेंट में हम लोग 2 स्टेडियम तैयार कर रहे हैं. उसका पूरा DPR रेडी हो गया है. जल्द से जल्द उसका टेंडर भी होगा. और हाउसिंग बोर्ड भी एक बड़ा क्रिकेट स्टेडियम बना रहा है. तो अभी आगे आने वाले दिन स्पोर्ट्स के लिए ज्यादा एनकरेजमेंट हमारा स्टेट में मिलेगा. हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर और डिप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर उसके लिए बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
और फंडिंग भी अच्छा रहेगा स्पोर्ट्स के लिए.
देखिए, खेलने वाला चाहिए. फंड इज द लास्ट थिंग इन स्पोर्ट्स. स्पोर्ट्स के लिए प्लेयर्स चाहिए. जगह चाहिए, बॉल चाहिए, वो ताकत चाहिए। ये फंड सभी लास्ट चीज है, वो कोई गवर्नमेंट देगा या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट देगा, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट नहीं तो बहुत सारे मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज है जो स्पॉन्सर करने के लिए आगे आ सकता है। वो दैट इज नॉट ए वरी, वो कुछ उतना ये नहीं है, ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा। प्लेयर्स बन रहे अभी, इंडियन वुमेन टीम इज विनिंग. We may reach FIFA at the earliest. That is what we are dreaming about. So all these things will automatically bring in money and other things. That's not an issue.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Super.